Welcome everyone's Gray Shirt Guy, rocking the gray shirt as always. Actually, I'm wearing a gray shirt today. How about that? Let's get into some Odyssey Torment and Judgment. Let's just break it on down. See what we got. Trying to film a couple videos in advance. Got some school coming up. So we got Croson Archer, Ravaged Highlands. What is it? Kurtar's Desire. Okay. Tireless Tribe. Rift Earth, alright, I remember that one. Mystic Visionary, another Rite of Initiation. Thought Nibbler, he's nibbling on some thoughts. Be gone. Different spelling of thought, though. Diligent Farmhand, I don't remember this one. Druid, sacrifice the farmland, search library for basic land, and put the card in play tapped, then check for library. If it's in the graveyard. Muscle Burst effects. Muscle Burst effects counts it as a Muscle Burst. Oh, so this comboed with Muscle Burst. Alright. Aven Flock. Fright Crawler. This is pretty spooky. Can't be blocked except by artifact creatures and or black creatures. And has threshold, gets +2/+2, and can't block. Okay. Our first uncommon is Sky Shooter, which I think we already did unpack this, or we pulled this in a different video. Then we got what is it? Thumatog. It's an ATOG. It's a white-green. Sacrifice land gets +1/+1 until end of turn. Sacrifice an enchantment gets +1/+1 until end of turn. Okay. And then we got Diabolic Tutor. Nice. Old school Diabolic Tutor. 4 mana, search a library for a card, put it in your hand. Alright. That's a nice art. I'm pretty happy with that. And our rare is Chance Encounter. Enchantment, whenever you win a coin flip, put a luck counter on chance encounter at the beginning of your upkeep. If chance encounter has 10 or more luck counters on it, you win the game. Okay, so I don't know if there were any other coin flip cards in the deck, but this seems pretty interesting. Probably not a lot of value, but it's pretty niche in the coin flip world. All right, okay. Let's open the Torment. Let's see what we're going to grab out of Torment. Where did I put my... Oh, yeah. I'll just put them on the ground. All right, so we got Fiery Temper. Let me sort my stacks here real quick. Aven Trooper, Faceless Butcher, Nantuku Calmer, Aquamoeba, Waste Away, Rancid Earth. Always like the dwarves running away from it. Cephalid Snitch, Croson Restorer, Sonic Seizure, Unhinge, lovely art. Then we got Violent Eruption. Centaur Chieftain, Haze Threshold, when it comes into play, creature controller. Oh, okay. And then Sickening Dreams, so no Cabal Coffers. Oh, we did get Chainer. That is a nice one. All right. Did anybody read the Chainer novel? I read the Chainer novel. And yeah, so pretty good. All nightmares get +1/+1, so you get a little... No, so the problem is in Commander, this is only mono red, and this is only mono white. And there are a lot of nightmares that are in red and white, so it would have been great if they had made like a nightmare tribal. If they had made Chainer red black, that'd be great. Did I say red and white? I meant red and black. Okay. But you pay 3 life, put target creature card from your graveyard into play under control. That creature's black and it's a nightmare in addition to its type. When Chainer leaves the game, remove all nightmares from the game. So whenever it leaves play, for whatever reason, you have to exile all nightmares. So it's kind of sad. But Chainer, pretty good. Like that. All right, let's see what Judgment has for us. Now, Judgment has the different pack rarity. So we got to do the old, it's like the old Pokemon trick. So 3, 4, and then the rare. All right, a little Defy Gravity, Bodyguard, a little Sentry action, Battlefield Scrounger, it's a Centaur. All right. Oh, we got some Newts, little Folk Medicine going on there. Aven Fogbringer, the Advocate, the Cabal Trainee, Funeral Pyre, Swirling Sandstorm. First uncommon is another Planar Chaos. Okay, all right. Swelter. I always feel bad for those guys. Oh, we got Croson Verge as our uncommon, and our rare is Golden Wish, one of the Wish cards. Choose an artifact enchantment card from outside you own from outside the game, reveal that card and put it in your hand. Remove Golden Wish from the game. So this is back in the day when the Wish cards. I don't remember how it was in standard play. I think it was just anything in your sideboard. But when we were playing casual games, I remember people bringing like a box of cards, being like, I want to play this. So yeah, all right, Golden Wish. So we're gonna see what the TCG Player app says for the rares and uncommons, and we'll be back to you right in a second. All right, as we can see, we got the 1485 for those. Surprisingly enough, so Chainer's 319, and Golden Wish 36 cents because it's probably not really playable or anything. But Chance Encounter, the one red card with the flipping, is $7. All right, so maybe it's because it's niche and it's very few flip cards. That could probably be why it's driving the price up. Anyways, all right. See y'all next week. Have a good one.